Did you know there are foods with up to 10 times more protein than eggs? And they can help you rebuild your muscle strength like you were 25 again, even after 60. I'm not talking about supplements or expensive products, but simple, everyday foods you probably already have in your kitchen. In this video, I'll share 8 natural super protein sources, powerful secrets that even many doctors are surprised to discover. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last one might just be the key to keeping your muscles strong, boosting your energy, and feeling younger every single day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because every week I share practical, science-backed ways to help you stay healthy, age gracefully, and live with strength and vitality after 60. Number 1. Greek yogurt, morning energy. Have you ever thought that a simple cup of yogurt could actually help your legs feel stronger every morning? I know it sounds surprising because most people only see Greek yogurt as a light dessert after lunch. But after years of working with patients over 60, I've learned something important. Sometimes the smallest things hold the greatest power. I remember Linda, 68, telling me her mornings always began with a sigh. "Doctor, I just don't have the strength to walk to my garden anymore." I smiled and handed her a cup of Greek yogurt. "Think of this not as a snack," I told her, "but as fuel for your muscles." She tried it. A week passed, then 2, and by the 3rd week she walked into my office beaming, "Doctor, I climbed the stairs today without holding the railing." The secret is casein, a slow-digesting protein that nourishes your muscles for hours, even while you sleep. I often tell my patients to add a little cinnamon, flaxseed, or a few berries. It's not just for flavor, but to calm inflammation and bring a gentle warmth to your morning. You see, strength doesn't always come from the gym or expensive supplements. Sometimes it begins with a simple spoonful of yogurt, and the belief that your body is still capable of renewal. Number 2. Quinoa, the ancient super grain. I want you to imagine this. It's a calm morning. You're sitting by the window, a cup of coffee still steaming in your hand, and in front of you, a small bowl of quinoa. These tiny seeds once nourished the mighty Incan civilization thousands of years ago. Sounds fancy, doesn't it? But in truth, it's one of the simplest, most humble, yet powerful foods you can eat. I once had a patient named Michael, 71 years old. He told me, "Doctor, I don't eat much meat anymore, and I'm worried I'm not getting enough protein to keep my muscles strong." I suggested he try swapping his breakfast for quinoa. Just one bowl, cooked with a few lentils and some greens. 3 weeks later, he came back smiling, saying he felt lighter, his joints hurt less, and he was finally sleeping better. That's what I love about quinoa. Each tiny grain holds all 9 essential amino acids, something most plant foods lack. It's also rich in magnesium, iron, and zinc, the 3 minerals that keep your bones, muscles, and memory strong, the very things aging tends to take first. But the real magic is this. Quinoa doesn't just feed your body, it feeds your belief that you can still be strong no matter your age. Because sometimes, health doesn't come from big changes, but from a small bowl of grains, cooked with patience and hope each morning. Number 3. Hemp seeds, strength in small seeds. Picture this. You've just finished a slow morning walk around your neighborhood. You step into your kitchen, open a small jar filled with tiny golden seeds. Hemp seeds. They don't look like much, but inside each one lies the power to rebuild your body from within. I remember Ruth, 67, who once told me, "Doctor, I just can't digest meat the way I used to. I always feel heavy afterward." I smiled, handed her a small bag of hemp seeds, and said, "Try sprinkling a few spoonfuls on your morning oatmeal." A few weeks later, she came back glowing. "Not only is my digestion better, but my skin looks brighter, and I'm sleeping more peacefully." Hemp seeds are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids, just like meat or eggs, but much easier on your stomach. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, protect your joints, and improve flexibility, something many of my patients over 60 truly appreciate. That's why I always tell them, don't just eat to be full, eat to come alive again. Because sometimes just 3 spoonfuls of these tiny seeds can reignite the energy you thought you'd lost long ago. Number 4. Lentils, the affordable powerhouse. Do you remember the last time you ate something simple, yet it made you feel strong all day? I ask because one of my favorite affordable power foods is lentils, humble but mighty. One of my patients, James, 74, once told me, "Doctor, I cut out red meat to lower my cholesterol, but now I feel weaker. I don't even have the strength to tend my garden anymore." I suggested something small. Replace dinner with a bowl of lentil soup, cooked with brown rice and a pinch of turmeric. He chuckled, doubtful, but 3 weeks later he returned and said, "I'm sleeping better, my skin looks healthier, and I can climb the stairs without getting tired." Lentils are one of the most underrated sources of strength I know. Just one cooked cup gives you 18 grams of protein, along with iron and folate that help your blood carry oxygen, like flipping a switch that wakes up your body's energy again. When paired with brown rice, lentils become a complete protein, gentle on digestion, yet powerful enough to rebuild your muscles. I like adding turmeric and cumin, not just for flavor, but because they soothe inflammation and warm the stomach. Sometimes regaining your strength doesn't require anything fancy. Just a simple bowl of lentils, cooked with patience and a little love for yourself. Number 5, cottage cheese, the nighttime protein. I want you to picture this. It's late, the house is quiet, you can hear the ticking of the clock and the slow rhythm of your own breath after a long day. This is the moment your body begins to heal, and you can help it do that even better with something surprisingly simple. A small bowl of cottage cheese before bed. Sounds odd, doesn't it? But it's a secret very few people over 60 know. Cottage cheese contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases nutrients gradually over several hours as you sleep. Meaning, while you're dreaming, your muscles are still being nourished, rebuilding, repairing, and growing stronger, bit by bit. I remember Ellen, 70, telling me once, "I thought sleep alone was enough. Who knew the body still needed to be fed, even in dreams?" She began eating half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese with a few peach slices, sometimes a sprinkle of cinnamon. A month later, she told me, "I sleep deeper now. I wake up feeling lighter, and my joints don't ache as much." Science backs this up. During sleep, casein keeps amino acids flowing through your blood, helping your body restore muscle, strengthen bones, and relax the nervous system. So don't think of sleep as just rest. Think of it as your body's golden hour of renewal. And sometimes the key to that renewal lies in just one spoonful of cottage cheese before bed. Number 6, black beans, the silent hero. Have you ever noticed how the simplest things often hold the greatest power? Black beans are just like that. Small, humble, but truly one of the unsung heroes of nutrition. I remember Robert, 69, coming to me one day saying, "Doctor, I eat healthy, but I still feel tired, especially after meals." I asked what he was eating, and not once did he mention black beans. I suggested he add just a small bowl to his diet, cooked with brown rice and a bit of garlic. A few weeks later, he came back smiling. "I don't know why, but I feel lighter, and I wake up more alert in the mornings." That's the magic of black beans. Each cup has 15 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber, a rare and powerful combo. The fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, creating what scientists call the gut-muscle axis, a connection that helps your body absorb protein more efficiently and recover faster. And when you pair black beans with brown rice, you get a complete protein, gentle on digestion, rich in energy, and deeply nourishing. Sometimes you don't need a drastic change. You just start with a simple bowl of black beans and let your body tell the rest of the story of recovery. Number 7, whey protein, the key to staying young. I know what many of you might be thinking. When you hear whey protein, you probably picture young men at the gym shaking bottles and flexing muscles. But the truth is, whey isn't just for them. It's one of the most powerful keys to staying young, especially after 60. I remember a patient of mine, Harold, 72 years old. He once told me, "Doctor, I just want to be able to stand up from a chair without using my hands." I suggested something simple. Add 30 grams of whey isolate to his daily routine. Mix it with almond milk, a pinch of cinnamon, and a few berries. Nothing fancy, just one small glass each morning. 3 weeks later, he walked into my office with a spark in his eyes and said, "Doctor, I feel like my body just woke up after a long sleep." Science backs that feeling. Whey is rich in leucine, an amino acid that activates mTOR, the muscle regeneration switch that naturally slows down as we age. And the amazing thing is this: when you give your body the right amount of this protein, it starts responding as if it were 25 again, rebuilding faster, walking steadier, and even thinking clearer. So if you've ever felt like your strength has faded with the years, remember, it never truly left you. It's just been waiting for you to wake it up again, with one small glass of whey protein each day. Number 8. Edamame, the miracle of the young soybean. I want you to imagine a peaceful afternoon. You're sitting on the porch, the golden sunlight warming your face, and in your hand is a small bowl of steamed edamame, young soybeans. Simple, isn't it? Yet this little snack is one of nature's most miraculous gifts for midlife and beyond. I once met Susan, 66, who came to me worried after menopause. "Doctor," she said, "I feel weaker. My joints ache, and my bones don't seem as strong as before." I smiled and told her, "Try swapping your afternoon snack for a small bowl of edamame. Not much, just make it a daily habit." A month later, she returned with a gentle glow in her eyes. "I'm sleeping better, my joints hurt less, and my mood feels calmer." There's no magic here, just science and nature working hand in hand. Edamame provides 17 grams of protein per cup, and it's rich in isoflavones, plant compounds that help balance hormones, protect bones, and support heart health, especially for women after menopause. I often tell my patients, don't think of edamame as a snack. Think of it as a gentle medicine for aging gracefully. Because sometimes true health doesn't come from something complicated, but from a simple bowl of soybeans enjoyed in peace and gratitude. Now you've discovered 8 powerful natural protein sources, each stronger than eggs, each capable of helping you build muscle, strengthen bones, and stay flexible with every passing day. But remember, it's not about eating more. It's about eating smart, consistently, and with faith that your body can still heal and thrive at any age. If this video inspired you, let me know in the comments which food you'd like to try first. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next video filled with science-backed health secrets made just for you. I'll see you in the next one, where age is just a number, not a limitation.